Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to my special review episode, where I bring you honest and insightful product reviews to assist you in making a decision. I'm Ismail, and today I have an exciting lineup of this product to analyze and discuss. If you're curious to learn more, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Nandme NX8000 Smart Sonic Electric Toothbrush. Function: Deep Cleaning Mode, Whitening Mode, Gentle Cleaning. Bristle stiffness: soft. Power type: rechargeable. Number of operating modes: 4 or more. Type: acoustic wave. Quantity: 1. Material: DuPont. Age group: all. Item type: electric toothbrush. Working mode: 5 modes. Key: single button. Charging mode: contact charging. Waterproof grade: IPX7. Endurance time: 200 days, in sensitive mode. Vibration frequency: 33,000 to 41,000 times/min. Nandme NX8000 Toothbrush features: deep cleaning with sonic technology. 200 days long battery life. 12 brush heads for over 3 years of using. 5 dental care solutions. Washable and smart timer. We offer 3 years free return and exchange for the toothbrush. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.